through time and endless change, until the soul remembered its origin, its flame. I return to the source of light, beyond the wheel of time. No more shadows, no more veils, only truth alive. The journey completes itself in stillness pure and clear. What flowed out now flows home. The eternal is here. All that wandered far from home finds rest within the one. The long arc of becoming now rests where it begun. No conflict, no division, no question left to ask. Only the light of knowing beyond the shifting mask. I return to the source of light, beyond the wheel of time. No more seeking, no more straying, only truth alive. The journey completes itself in stillness pure and clear. What flowed out now flows home. The eternal is here. Nature rests its motion, purpose stands fulfilled. Spirit shines unbroken, perfect, calm and still. I stand within the living light, free from rise and fall. What I am has always been the source behind